Hi guys! Today we're going to see how to close a Shopify store permanently. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. First, log in this store. So now let's see how to close a Shopify store permanently. Click on My Store. Scroll down and click on Manage Account option. Here select the security option. Scroll down. Here you can see this store at a time login in 3 window. Here you can log out of your store across all windows. Now go to the home page and click on Setting. Now you can remove your Shopify billing card and payment method here. Click on Billing. From here you can replace billing method. Now click on Payment. Here you can remove all your active payment method. Click on Mange. Scroll down. Now click on Deactivate Shopify Payments. Afterward, no deductions will occur and your store will be permanently logged out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.